Nobody talks about this enough. The way you prepare rosemary can affect how well it works for your hair. In today's video, I will show you a very simple technique that many people skip when making rosemary oil. If you want thicker, healthier looking hair naturally, my dear, keep watching because you don't want to miss the simple step that will not only skyrocket your hair to your desired length, but it will also make your hair very full and thick, and it will also make your hair to grow very well. Keep watching. Let's get right into the video. To begin, get a clean glass bowl. It's important that the bowl is clean and completely dry. Now add our first ingredient, the almighty rosemary. Add about 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary leaves. If you have fresh rosemary, you can absolutely use that instead. Rosemary is one of the most popular herbs for healthy hair growth. It helps promote thicker looking hair, support stronger strands, reduce breakage, and makes your hair much easier to manage. Now, here's the interesting part that many people skip: roasting the rosemary. Yes, lightly roast the rosemary for about 5 minutes before blending it. This simple step helps release its natural aroma and prepares it for infusion. Before we continue, if you have watched this far and haven't subscribed yet, I will really appreciate your support. Hi, my love. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Tina, and on this channel I share simple DIY recipes for hair growth, thinning hair breakage, and natural beauty and skincare. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and share it with someone who is struggling with severe hair loss. Your support means the world to me. So now let's continue. So after roasting the rosemary, transfer it into a blender and blend it into a coarse powder. Next, add your extra virgin olive oil. If olive oil doesn't suit your hair, you can substitute it with coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, or any carrier oil that works very well for your hair type. So for this recipe, I'm using olive oil because I have low porosity hair. The next oil I'll be adding is argan oil. Argan oil is lightweight and penetrates the hair shafts very well, making it an excellent choice for low porosity hair. It helps soften the hair, reduce dryness, and improve manageability without weighing the hair down. Now stir everything together very well, but we are not done yet. The next step is to double boil the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you are not sure how to double boil, don't worry, I have several tutorials on my channel showing exactly how to do it. Feel free to check them out after watching this video. Keep watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back, my love. So after double boiling the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes, this is what our beautiful rosemary infused oil looks like. This oil is wonderful if you are dealing with excessive hair shedding, thinning hair, weak strands, or hair that falls out each time you comb it. This recipe is incredibly simple, but consistency is the key. I'm not saying this just because I'm creating content. Give this oil a fair chance and use it consistently for at least 60 days. Many people begin noticing positive changes within about 15 to 20 days, but the best results come with continued use. Now it's time to strain the oil. You want to remove all the rosemary particles so the finished oil is smooth and easy to apply without leaving residues on the hair or scalp. Can you guess what ingredients I'm adding next? Well, I'm actually not adding anything else. Our final step is to transfer the finished oil into an applicator bottle for easy and mess-free use. If you have watched all the way to the end and you are still not subscribed, my love, please support your girl by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your family and friends. If you are facing any hair challenges, Leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to create a DIY recipe that may help. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly hope you give this rosemary infused oil a try. I will see you in my next video, and always remember, this baby girl right here is rooting for you. Stay blessed, take care of yourself, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.